Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can freely move your image across your document. The first thing you need to do, make sure you don't have Pageless setup like on your document. So if you click on File, Page Setup from the drop down, you want to make sure you have actually Pages. It's not like Pageless because then it's not going to work. So make sure you have Pages, click on OK, and then we can go. Firstly, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on Insert Image. You can either search for them on the web. If you want to upload it from your computer, you can do that as well, like me. So let's say I can upload this parrot. I'm gonna open it. And now the first thing is you want to select it and drag the corners, maybe to resize it, to make it smaller, sorry. And after that, you will have a couple of options over here. So the first one is inline, then you have wrap text, break text, behind the text, or in front of the text. So you can choose whatever you want from this. If you want to put this behind the text, you can choose behind the text, and then it's going to be behind the text. And now this is important, you can choose move with the text or fixed position on page. So if you click on this, you can basically move this freely on your page wherever you want. If you want some additional options, you can click on image options over here. You can click on adjustments and you can drag this opacity to make the text pop out more. I'm gonna turn this back and I will show you another way what you can do. So if you don't want to put this behind the text, you can select it. And from this menu, you can choose maybe wrap text. So it's going to be next to the text or wrapped with the text around the image. You can resize it. And you can also move it freely however you want. So you can play with it. You can change the margin if you want. So margin is basically the space between the text and the image. So if I do 116, it's going to be really small margin. And this is going to be all for this video, how you can freely move your image. You can also move it on the other page if you scroll with it. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.